So Laylat Al-Qadr means the night of decree. Why is it called the night of decree? Because during Laylat Al-Qadr, on that night, this is when the decree is handed down to the angels. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, فِيهَا, meaning during Laylat Al-Qadr, يُفْرَقُ كُلُّ أَمْرٍ حَكِيمٍ, that every single matter that is going to be decreed from this Laylat Al-Qadr until next year Laylat Al-Qadr, every single matter that is going to happen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hands down that information to the angels, and they begin to carry those tasks out until next year. So who's going to live this year? Who's going to die? Who's going to be struck by poverty? Who's going to become rich? What land is going to go dry and barren and affected by drought? And what land is going to be cultivated and alive? Who's going to get sick? And who's going to increase in his health? What wars are going to take place? And which earthquakes are going to strike? Every single thing in detail is given to the angels on Laylatul Qadr. So it was called Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, he said, you may see a person after the night of Qadr, you may see a person who is walking in the marketplace while his name has been decreed among those that are going to die that year, and he will not live until he sees next Laylatul Qadr. Allahu Akbar. And this meaning has been narrated by Ibn Umar, Abi Malik, Mujahid, Dhahak, and more than one of As-Salaf rahimahumullah. Allah Azza wa Jal, He says, فِيهَا يُفْرَقُ كُلُّ أَمْرٍ حَكِيمٍ. Hakim. The decree of Allah Azza wa Jal has been described as Hakim. Hakim means full of wisdom. And Hakim means لا يبدل ولا يغير. It is not changed and it is not altered. And it also means, as we said, Hakim, wisdom. That Allah Azza wa Jal's command and decree is full of wisdom. Then Allah Azza wa Jal said, أَمْرًا مِّنْ عِنْدِنَا. It is our decree that we give to the angels. It is our decree. You know what this means? Allahu Akbar. When you read the word أَمْرًا مِّنْ عِنْدِنَا, it is Allah's decree. Therefore ask Him during these nights that He decree what is good for you. Since the decree is handed down this night in Laylat Al-Qadr, and Allah is saying it is from us, we're the ones that decide and decree. Ask Allah Azza wa Jal that He give you a good qadr. You know, just like in Dua al-Istikhara. Dua al-Istikhara, part of it is to say, وَقَدِّرْ لِيَ الْخَيْرَ حَيْثُ كُنْتَ. Oh Allah, decree for me what is good wherever I am. ثُمَّ ارْضِنِي بِهِ. And then make me pleased with the qadr that you decree. And remember, a dua can change the qadr. As the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لَا يَرُدُّ الْقَدْرِ إِلَّا الدُّعَاء. Nothing will change the bad qadr except a dua. So since Laylatul Qadr was called that, which means the night of decree, because the decree is handed down to the angels, ask Allah that He save you from the bad qadr that was decreed for you. And ask Him subhanahu wa ta'ala that He write for you good qadr wherever you are, and that you're pleased with His qadr subhanahu wa ta'ala.